finally got my Illinois Terminal HO scale 7 SD70 Ace, and look at how beautiful she is. Ain't she gorgeous? I'm sorry, I'm a freak with these big old edges, but this is my heritage class. This is my heritage. God. I just purchased it today off of eBay. I got it today, I'm sorry. But this is it right here. So this is my first train. This is my first of many engines I got that I ready to put it on the track. But you see the two antennas right there? I mean, everything from the fans are detailed. Oh my God. So right now, I'm putting my Metra together. I'm putting some sound in the Metra with my F40PH for the HO scale Metra. I'm trying to put Illinois together. So stay tuned.
Weirdo.
That's my daughter trying to film the picture on the.
I know how to film. I'm not trying to. I don't know how
Okay,
to.
but I'm just letting y'all know this is my. She's gorgeous.
What? And I'm not.
You are, but right now this is gorgeous.
You're right.
See you.
Bye bye.